Alright, here's the third most missed question. This says a circle has a radius of 9. An arc in this circle has a central angle of 120. What is the length of the arc? So we're going to start with our same arc length formula, which is the length of the arc equals theta, the central angle, over 360 times the circumference, 2 pi r. So I'm going to plug in what I know, and they give me the radius and the central angle. So L equals 120 over 360 times 2 pi times 9. Alright, so if I simplify this a little bit, 120 over 360 reduces to 1/3. 2 times 9 is 18. So I have 1/3 times 18 pi. 1/3 times 18 gives me a 6. So I would have 6 pi. Now it says either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. So the other acceptable answer for this one would be 6 times 3.14. Now 3.14 times 6, I'll need to grab my calculator for that one. So I've got 6 times 3.14, that gives me an 18.84. So the two acceptable answers based on this question would be 6 pi or 18.84. Both would be totally acceptable. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.